Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Portage, local and long-distance movers near me. Whether inside or outside the state, moving more than 50 miles from your current location is considered a long-distance relocation. Long-distance travels need meticulous planning if they are to be successful. It is vital to emphasize that interstate transfers occur inside a single state, whereas interstate transfers occur across states. Long-distance transfers are prone to delivery delays and damage to fragile items. When you hire 3 Movers services, you don't have to worry about any of these issues. When it comes to long-distance relocations, we'll follow all rules and regulations established by local and federal agencies in charge of the procedure. We've also put in place an insurance policy to cover any potential liabilities that may emerge during the transfer. Our previous clients can confirm that we would not overcharge you for our services. We can also boast that our prices are among the most competitive in the business. Local relocation occurs within a radius of less than 50 miles. Although the space required is less when compared to long-distance relocations, prior planning and hiring of efficient movers are still needed. You don't have to go as far to find capable movers. 3 Movers is the most reliable local movers in Portage, Indiana. Our services are punctual, dependable, and effective, and our crew is always available and accessible to assist you with transferring your possessions. We also provide low pricing for local relocation. Our hourly rate is between $30 and $40 per hour. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Portage moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.